Hi friends, today we're going to draw this bridge you have seen before, and we use one-point perspective and with one trick that we have never seen in the channel. First of all, we make an horizontal line that is our view highness. Now focal point, and now we do like this. With this axis, we make the center of this rectangle. And why we do this? Because we are going to draw this arc in perspective. I know this is this is not very easy. I know this is not the easiest tutorial I have uploaded to this channel. Okay, and now comes the other trick to make this bridge. We need another point of perspective, another focal point, vanishing point. And why it is this? Because our bridge goes up and down like with a slope. So up here we have the new point, vanishing point. So we can go up, okay, and one point down here. Okay, we can see, but there is a point. Okay, now we just must make the walls of this bridge. The part of this perspective, maybe you need to see it slower. So at the options of the player of YouTube, you can stop it, pause it, or make it go slower. Okay? So we made this. I remember you in one point perspective, all horizontal and vertical lines that are in front of us they remain without change, but all parallel lines that go away from us are going to the vanishing point. Okay? In this case we have two vanishing points, but this is not 2 points perspective. This is 1 point perspective with many points and many slopes or paths with 1 point. Okay? We made these lines to mark where the lines of the stones that is made, this bridge is made. So once the perspective sketch is made, we must enter in the part of the details, drawing stones in this way, giving it shadows and giving textures, etc. If you are wondering, I used a V pencil for the sketch, the first sketch, and now I'm using a 6V pencil for lines and textures. Okay, just these two pencils, and this is 110 grams paper, drawing paper. Artix is the brand. Okay, so we made this, and now I left you with the music, because I know this part of the video is very visual, and I hope you can follow it without problem. So if you need something or have any doubt, put it in the comments lines, and if you haven't do before, please subscribe to my channel to be aware when I upload new videos and new tutorials. And if you like it, please click thumbs up. Okay? Okay, see you next tutorial, and left you here drawing this beautiful bridge in a landscape with pencil. Bye!